Big news if you're a driving instructor or a learner driver. The government has just published its first road safety strategy in over 10 years. And there's one change that could completely reshape how we learn. On the 7th of January, the Department for Transport released their new road safety strategy. The goal? Cut deaths and serious injuries on UK roads by 65% by 2035. For under 16s, they're aiming even higher, 70%. That's ambitious. But here's the bit that affects us directly. They're now consulting on introducing a minimum learning period for learner drivers. What does that mean? It means before you can even book your practical test, you'd need to have been learning for either 3 or 6 months. Not just that, they're also looking at a minimum number of learning hours and a mandated syllabus, so specific things you have to cover. This would only apply to car tests for now. Here's the stat that's driving this. Drivers aged 17 to 24 make up just 6% of license holders in Great Britain, but they're involved in 24% of fatal and serious collisions. That's a massive overrepresentation. The thinking is, if learners have more time to build experience, more hours behind the wheel, more exposure to different conditions like night driving, bad weather, heavy traffic, they'll be safer when they pass. If you're an ADI, this changes things. More structured learning means more lessons per pupil. A mandated syllabus means clearer expectations, and potentially, a more professional industry overall. But it also means we need to have our say. The consultation is open now, and it closes on the 31st of March, 2026. Whether you think this is a good idea or not, this is your chance to feedback. I'll put the link in the description. Go to Govid UK, search Minimum Learning Period Consultation and fill it in. Takes 10 minutes. If you're a learner or a parent, this affects you too. Have your say. I'll keep you updated as this develops. If you're in CRAWLEY or Burgess Hill and looking for lessons, check out Pass Plus School of Motoring. Link below. Give it a like if this was useful, and I'll see you in the next one.